Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to open a second YouTube channel using the same Google account you used for the first one. So if you have a YouTube channel and you are wondering if you could open a new channel using the same Google account, then you should watch this video till the end as I'm going to show you how to do that. Stay tuned. Okay guys, here I am on my screen to show you how to open a second YouTube channel using the same Google account. So guys, all you have to do is open the Chrome browser. If you are using a mobile phone, you can download the Chrome browser on the Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store. If you are using a laptop, you can as well download the Chrome browser on your laptop. So once you've got the Chrome browser installed on your mobile phone, click on desktop mode so you'll be able to see this feature. So click on the desktop mode on the menu so be able to see this feature. So once you've done that, go up here to click on the Google account icon. So click on your Google account icon. Once you've done that, you can see the switch account over here. Click on switch account. Okay, as you can see, I have 3 YouTube channels here already. So all you have to do to open a new one is click on view all channels. So it will open the my channels page. Okay, it's opening. You can see, okay, it says Claridan TV test channel. Okay, these are 2 channels here. So all you have to do is click on the create a channel. So once you click on the create a channel button, it will take you to the page where you are going to create the channel. So here it says create your channel name. You can use your brand name or another name. A good channel name represents you and your content. You can change your channel name anytime. So all you have to do is enter the channel name of your choice. In this case, I'm going to enter second YouTube channel. Okay, so you click on this, click on the check button, say I understand that I am creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. So you click on that and click on create. So I'm going to wait for this to load. So as you can see, I have my second YouTube channel created. So guys, this is how to get it done. This is how to open a second YouTube channel using the same Google account. So let me show you. So you see, if I click on the channel icon right here, you can see click on switch account. So you can see I didn't create a new Gmail. I didn't create a new Google account. You can see these 4 channels are associated to this Gmail account. So guys, that is how to get it done. It's super easy. So in case you gain some value from this video, I'd like you to click on the like button and drop a comment. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So when I post more valuable content like this, you will get notified. So thank you guys for watching once again. Have fun.